Dale Taldi. I'm the chef owner of Pork Slope, Thistle Hill Tavern, and Taldi. Cereal, hearted. I love it. I'll eat it all the time. I wanted to have fun with it. The restaurants that I own, we all have fun with the food. I love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I think it's one of my favorite cereals. So I wanted to kind of have a play on toast, French toast, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and really make it into a dessert. What we came up with is we took challah bread, we toasted it, we steeped Cinnamon Toast Crunch, we toasted it, we steeped it into cream and milk, and then we added eggs to it to kind of make our French toast batter. So the French toast batter actually just tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch now. So we take our toasted bread, we roll it in that, and then we kind of dust it in almost a flour of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We wanted to get more flavor into the French toast. So if we toasted the bread, and it was day-old bread, it actually absorbed more of this anglaise that we have. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch is really making a nice little coating on top of the French toast. What I like to do is just do a little bit more on top. Let's put the nice sugar in here. Really kind of gets it nice and crunchy. That's gonna bake for maybe probably about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm not much of a sweet breakfast person, so this would be a dessert for me. To finish this, a little bit of banana, it's kind of like bananas and cereal, and then a little bit of ice cream to be the milk part of the dish. You want to see Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I think you want to taste it, but to see it, it really, I kind of think, finishes a dish, and it lets people know that, hey, this entire dish was kind of conceptualized with Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's really like how I this is more how I eat cereal. Like instead of like a formal sit down with a bowl, I typically just sit there and snack on it. It's too much work. Boom.